Creating clipping masks. Clipping masks are shapes that act as a window, showing only the artwork located within the boundaries of those shapes. The clipping mask object must be on top of the stack of objects you wish to mask. To create a clipping mask, do the following. First, choose the object you wish to mask within the using the selection tool. I have here a sample of a document that I wish to mask. Using the selection tool. Click the object. Click the object. Arrange. Then bring to front. Or simply shift control bracket. Select all objects you wish to include in clipping in the mask. Bring to font. Then choose the object again. Clipping mask. Then make or control 7. And here's the clipping mask shown after I've been created a different shapes clipping of a mask.